And all my babies, it's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because your girl really does appreciate it, and it lets YouTube know that you like the content that I'm bringing so I can keep bringing that fire. And don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a family member because we litty over here. So without further ado, I know y'all see this little croc and these things. So y'all basically, I'm not sure if any of you are active on Instagram, but I've been seeing these shoes, like these Crocs that have these stuffed animal plush things glued to them. And I'm just like, wow. And I'm just like, instead of buying them, why don't I just recreate them? So we're just going to see that. I'll try to probably post something over here because I actually seen some on Etsy. But yeah, y'all. So I've had this Croc since my last few videos. It's a little dusty, but I did clean them off because I wore these to death last summer. And I figured why not use these? I already got some white Crocs. And I actually purchased everything off of Amazon. And I'll definitely link everything down below. So y'all, we have these mini plush animals. And basically they are going to be glued on here. Yeah. And I got this clear Gorilla Glue. Now, y'all, I don't know how you really make them because I know there's people that actually make them to sell them, but I'm just going to do them my way. Let me see. Do I want to? Yeah. So we're just going to work and see how they go. And I know if you see the picture, you probably like, why would you want those? See me, I'm different. That's one thing. I'm going to wear something. If I see something that's cute, I'm going to try to remake it. If not, I'm going to try to buy it. But if I can remake it, then I'm going to remake them. Now, I don't know how long it's going to take to dry. Because as y'all can see, I'm holding them. I don't know how much glue you're supposed to put on them. Hopefully they don't try to come off. I guess you put enough glue so that they don't kind of, fall off. And I guess if they don't work, no harm, no foul. And they already falling off. Maybe if am I using enough glue? I don't know, y'all. Maybe I should have used like a hot glue gun. I don't mess around with them things. Y'all, these things is not staying. Uh-oh. And then they also got like matching purses, and I've seen a few purses on AliExpress. So I'm like, no, I'll keep rocking my little dupes. Oh my goodness, why are these not staying? I don't know if I gotta hold them for a minute. We'll see. Maybe I shouldn't have used the lion because the lion got that hair. Yeah, we're not gonna use that one. You know, Gorilla Glue sticks to any and everything. So maybe that her wasn't doing it. I'll just stick to the ones that don't have all that hair. We're not using this one, got fur. This one got fur. Okay, we can use this one. So maybe I gotta hold them a little bit. Maybe I should try putting the glue on the actual thing. Maybe that would be the smart thing to do. I'm not using that one. Okay, this one was kind of sticking, but not sticking where I wanted to stick. I don't know, I might have to hold this for a minute so it can kind of like get tacky. Not sure. If not, this seems like this is becoming an epic fail. No. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna let this sit and dry for a minute and we'll come back to see if it's gonna work. Okay, y'all, I'm back. They are sticking. This is definitely like a DIY that's going to take some time, so don't think you about to do these and wear them. So y'all, as y'all can see, I have these things pressed around them. Got gummy bears, acetone, disinfectant spray, everything surrounding them just so they can stay in place on the edges. So this is definitely a very time-consuming process, but they're sticking. So this video is probably going to be a little chopped and screwed, a little choppy, because I have to wait for this to you know, dry until I do the next one. But y'all, this is only the one shoe, and this is how many things I have left. So I'm gonna have to order some more, but stay tuned. We'll be back. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. This was a 2-day and a half situation. I didn't know I was gonna have to use so many for one. So if you definitely wear, you know, a big size shoe, you're going to need 2 packs of, I want to say each pack was like 24. And this is the finished product. As y'all can see, I'm at my nail table. So I'm just going to show you, this is the side. I didn't go past like the back part because I didn't want to. And then as you can see, some animals are stacked on top of each other. So it just depends on, you know, what look you're going for. You don't have to use white Crocs if you don't want to. I just chose to use white because they was just some Crocs that I really wasn't reaching for, and it was getting a little dingy. So I figured, why not, you know, just use these. And y'all, I didn't know if these were going to come out right or not. I just wanted to do them. I'm the type of person, when I see something, if I can't buy it, and if I can buy it and I feel like it's not reasonable, I'm going to make it myself. So and these are the products. I ended up using this whole Gorilla Glue and about a little bit of a third possibly of this one, and then all of the stuffed animals, as you can see, they come like this. This is the only one I had left over, so they come like this in this size. And yeah, if your foot's small, you're probably gonna not use that many, but I had to use 2 packs because I thought I was doing something with that 1 pack. So it took me 2 days because I had to order some more from Amazon, or some more glue. Or did I already have the glue? No, I think I only had to just order some more of these. And you want to let these dry for, I would say, a whole day if you can. I'm still going to let them dry because, I don't know, glue and, you know, this type of material, you want it to make sure it's going to dry before you wear them, because you don't want them, well, they might fall off depending on how rough you are, but, you know, I can't speak on that because I haven't worn them yet. But yeah, y'all, definitely let these dry for a day or 2 if you can, and try not to rush it. As y'all can see in the earlier footage, y'all seen that my stuff was surrounded. We had gummy bears, we had acetone, because you want to keep something that's going to hold them in place, because they're going to, as you can see earlier before that, they were sliding off, and I'm up there trying to hold them. You'll be forever. So definitely just try to get little items that you can kind of hold them in place to the side and to the front, like a barrier. So that really helped for me, and I think they are so stinking cute. I wouldn't say I'm jocking someone's style. I just seen a style and I was just like, oh, I can see myself wearing something like that. And I thought it was cute. So once again, here they go. And I don't know if they had different type of stuffed animals, y'all. I only seen like just literally one type of stuffed animals for different prices. So I don't know if they have like different varieties. These were the only ones. As you can see, it's like is that a leopard or a cheetah tiger? Or no, that's a tiger. Leopard. A little monkey, a panda, turtles and stuff like that. So those were the only ones I've seen. And when I had seen this little trend on Instagram, people had the matching purses. Y'all, I'm not about to ruin my dupes. I'm sorry. Your girl not about to even sit up here and do it. So instead of, I don't know why I got blurry. But instead of, why is it blurry? I don't know, y'all. But yeah, instead of doing a dupe, I decided to make my own little keychain. So, okay, there you go. So I took a ruler, a 12-inch ruler, and I just decided to, why is it, hold on, y'all, my phone acting crazy. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so I was not going to glue these things on my dupes because I just couldn't see myself doing that, but I wanted something a little extra that kind of coordinates with the shoes. So I decided to take a 12-inch ruler and basically just glue them on the front and on the back. Put a few little rhinestones. You don't have to do that, but this is something that can actually hang on my purse. I actually had got a 6-inch ruler, but that was just too small. And you're probably like, are you really gonna be walking around with that long thing on your purse? Yes, it's a charm. Just like if somebody would have like a long furry thing on their purse. So I think that was so cute. I probably could have picked a different color, but that was the only thing that was available during the time that was cheap on Amazon. So I'm just going to use this as a little purse decoration thing, and I put a little key thing right here so it can hang on to my purse and it coordinates. So we have the little purse charm, my little thing that I just threw together, something I just want to use, and then we got the shoes. So hopefully this is something that, I don't know, maybe someone else seen and y'all thought, can I do that? Yes, you can. Is it gonna, you know, take 1 or 2 days, yes, but there's no rush. But definitely, you know, if this is something that you're interested in, I'll definitely link down below all of the materials I use. I use the Gorilla Glue. I'm not sure, maybe you might want to use a hot glue gun if you're, you know, comfortable with that. Me, I'm not good with hot glue gun. I've been burnt by one of them things before, so so yeah, instead I just decided to use Gorilla Glue. But I hope this was very informative. Hope you got some knowledge out of it. And if this is your thing, then hopefully you can make you one too. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And y'all, if y'all want to see me do more DIYs, do it yourself type of projects, let me know, because your girl, I do get crafty. That's another side of me. I've always been into crafts and stuff. I was thinking about making, you know, even like a vision board, or I don't know, do y'all want to watch me color? I'm definitely going to do some more nail tutorials. But if you definitely want to see me do some more DIY activities, get down in them comments and let your girl know. And I'll see you guys in the next video.